Hi, I'm Mark from Maxava, and today I'm going to show you one of our short training videos.
Maxava configuration setup part 2. Continuing on from the configuration setup, when you create or once you've created configuration descriptions, then you can add the components to the configurations. For a data and object, this will be apply groups. The apply groups are the jobs and tasks that will replicate on the target machine and perform the replication. The apply groups can be a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 999. Generally, we would set between 5 to 10 apply groups for a configuration, depending on the volume and number of objects being managed. By default, the apply groups will use the same naming convention as the configuration description. This can be changed, and what will happen is that a 3-digit number will be added to the end of the name. So in this case here, there'll be mctest 001, 002, 003, and 004, and 005. Once the apply groups have been created, then we can add the assignments for a data object configuration. This can be done at the library level, which will add the existing objects that are in the library at this time, or it can be done at a generic level. We will look at the assignment addition functionality in the next segment of the video. For the IFS, once you've set up the details, then you'll put in the path name or paths that you wish to replicate. The path name can be *tree, which means you are going to manually save and restore the IFS, or you can use sync *all, which will capture all the IFS details and transfer them via remote journaling to the target system for syncing and replication through the product. For the MQ configuration setup, you'll define the queue manager name for the MQ environment. For the QDLS environment, you'll set up the folder that you wish to replicate from the QDLS environment. Again, you can use *tree if you're going to save and restore the folders manually, or you can use the *all sync option, which will capture the folder details into the remote journal and send them for replication via the product setup. So each of the configurations has different componentry. The data and object has the configuration description, and then it has the apply groups. The IFS has the configuration descriptions and then the path names. The MQ has the configuration and the MQ manager, and the QDLS has the configuration description and the QDLS paths and folders that will be replicated. The last component for the configuration setup for the data and object is the assignments, which are the objects to be replicated, and that will be shown in the third segment of the videos. We will also briefly look at the backup configuration, which is the identical setup to the primary, and looking at running the configurations once they're set up, and that will be available in the third video.
Look online for other Maxava training videos, and thanks for watching.